A Nintendo Switch emulator for Windows, Mac, and Linux is on its way. The Nintendo Switch is incredibly popular. So popular, in fact, that it's now the fastest-selling game console in US history. For those PC and Mac owners eager to try out some of its exclusives without buying a console, good news. The team behind the popular Citra 3DS emulator has announced work on a new emulator for the Nintendo Switch. Announcing Yuzu, the first Nintendo Switch emulator that does all of the things you didn't need it to do. Stay tuned for more from the Yuzu team. The emulator, which is named Yuzu, is described as experimental and open source on its official website. There are builds ready and maintained for PC, Mac, and Linux, though it's currently in its infancy and is only useful for Switch reverse engineering and homebrew development. Yuzu doesn't yet run any commercial Switch games. It can boot some titles with varying degrees of success, but it does not implement the necessary GPU features to render 3D graphics. There's still no word on when it will be fully up and running. Because Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild was also released on the Wii U, PC owners can try the Switch's best game using the Simu emulator. Check out this video of the game in glorious 4K. Yuzu will open up more Switch exclusives to PC gamers, such as the excellent Super Mario Odyssey. In addition to keeping check on the Yuzu website, you can also follow the project's official Twitter account to keep up with all the new developments. As is always the case with this sort of emulation, it'll be interesting to see what kind of response, if any,